How to fix Gmail queued email on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick on any Android phone. Open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and after that click here Gmail, or you can just scroll all the way down until you find Gmail and click on it and just type it and you will find it, and that's it. And after that click force stop and then go to storage, click clear cache, and here just your problem must be fixed. Just go back and restart your phone and go back, go try again, and your email will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.